Okay, a couple of you have asked how to do a discussion post, so I thought I'd just go ahead and do a quick video. It's not real difficult, but I'm going to click into a course. Your course may be different, but if you notice over here on the left-hand side, you've got discussion board. I realize there are a few of you that have just yourselves in the class. There are no other users, so you get to reply to me. But if there are more than just yourself in that class, you can reply to someone else. You don't have to reply to mine. But I did create a post, one, to kind of give you a guideline of what I was looking for, and two, to give you somebody to reply to if you were the only one in there. So again, I just clicked on discussion board over here on the left-hand side, clicking on week 2 discussion. And now you can, if you wanted to reply to mine, you can go ahead and click on mine, and I called mine week 2 discussion. You call it whatever you want. You can hit reply right here. But if you're wanting to start your own, you come up here and you hit create thread, and you can call it week 2 discussion, or you can call it Ohm's Law if that's what you're doing your video about, or whatever you want to call it. But it'll go inside of this folder here. So we'll just call it week 2 discussion, which is popping up because I've already typed that there. So right here is where you would fill out your 100 words. This is my 100 words on what I learned. And you would come down here and hit submit. Now I'm not going to hit submit, but that's it. It's as simple as coming to discussion board, clicking on week 2 discussion, doing a create thread for your new one, and doing a reply to somebody who is already there for your 50 words. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but since this is possibly brand new to some of you, I thought I'd create this 2-minute video. Have a good week. As always, if you have questions, let me know. Thanks.